This was supposed to be AI's week, Broadcom reported, and every desk note was about the AI profit pool 3 years out. Then the 5 days happened, and technology finished dead last of all 11 sectors, down 8.6%. Not mid-pack, last. So what actually happened this week? Start with the scoreboard. Of the 11 broad sectors, technology finished last, down 8.6%. The 3 that led were the ones AI was supposed to make quaint. Real estate up 3.2, healthcare up 3, utilities up 2.6. 6 sectors finished green, and every one of them was a place you go for dividends or defense, not growth. The marginal dollar didn't leave the market this week, it rotated. Here is that scoreboard as a picture. Real estate, healthcare, and utilities on top. Technology at the very bottom, alone. The widest gap of the week ran 11.8 points, from real estate down to technology. And the 2 AI-heavy groups, technology and communications, were 2 of the 3 worst. In the week branded AIs, the AI sectors lost. Zoom inside technology and the rotation has a name list. Of the 10 core AI and chip names we track, 9 finished red. Broadcom beat, revenue up 48%, AI revenue up 143%, and still fell 15% because the street wanted a raise and got a soft guide. Micron and Arm fell about 16. The one green bar belongs to Marvell, up almost 25 on the week. But even that is cracking. Marvell fell 13% on Friday alone, and its insiders were selling. Now rank every name by our composite quality score. The engine doesn't care whether a name is AI or a soap company. The high-quality AI names got sold anyway. Microsoft, a 67, down 9.6. Nvidia, a 64, down 8. The high-quality defensives got bought. Abbott, a 70, up almost 4. Philip Morris, up 3. Same quality, opposite week. The one name that broke the pattern was Apple, up 0.7, the only Magnificent 7 name green, and the one with a Catalyst Monday. If the rotation were just price, you could call it noise, but the insider tape voted the same way. On the buy side, all rate resilient, Verizon plus 61, Wells Fargo plus 56, Duke and Abbott adding. On the sell side, all AI, Broadcom, Nvidia, Arista, and Alphabet down 67. The cleanest reads are the zeros. Nvidia logged 0 insider buys against 24 sells, and Broadcom 0 buys against 20. The people closest to the AI names were not buying their own dip. How stretched is each name versus its own 20-day trend line? A week ago, much of this group rode well above it. By Friday, most had snapped below. Broadcom 9% under, Vertiv 10.5, Nvidia 6. That is what a fast D-rate looks like. The extension came out in 5 sessions, but 2 names did not reset. Marvell is still 31% above its line, even after Friday. ARM 17. Those are the 2 with the most room left to fall. The reset is mostly done, the cleanup is not. Into Monday, the setup is split, and 2 events decide it. Broadcom closed with a momentum reading of 39 and Nvidia 43, beaten down toward oversold, the kind of level that bounces if anything goes right. Marvell closed at 67, still hot, still the most stretched. The same chart says bounce candidate for Broadcom and fade risk for Marvell. Then the calendar, Apple's WWDC opens Monday and CPI lands Wednesday, the inflation print that owns this entire rotation. So what was this week really? Not an AI demand break, a rotation out of the long duration AI trade and into the corners that pay cash today. Technology last of 11, 6 green sectors, everyone defensive, 0 insider buying in Nvidia or Broadcom. This entire move was one bet, that rates stay higher for longer, and everything resolves against one number on Wednesday. The MarketDecode read, this was a rate duration rotation, not the end of AI. Price and insiders agreed, so you stop calling it noise. From here, watch 2 things. Marvell and Arm are the unfinished business, still stretched above trend, and the whole map turns on Wednesday's inflation print. A hot number confirms higher for longer and the rotation extends. A soft one revives the cut, and the most beaten AI names move first. If this helped you see the rotation under the AI headline, do one quick thing: subscribe to MarketDecode and tap like. One clear market story every single day.